Here's how to remove Microsoft account from Windows 11. Start by opening your settings. Right-click the Start button, then select Settings and open it. On the left, click Accounts. Next, click your info under Account Settings. Give it a second to load. You'll see it says Microsoft account up top. To switch out of that, you'll need to move over to a local account. This keeps your files exactly as they are. It just unlinks the account from Microsoft. You can still add it back later or use a different one if needed. Click Sign in with a local account instead. A prompt shows up asking if you're sure. Click Next to continue. Now enter your current account password. Then fill out your new local account info, username, and password. Pick something secure but easy for you to remember. When you're ready, click Next. After that, click Sign out and finish. You'll need to sign back in using the local account you just created. Once you're logged back in, go back into Settings, open Accounts, then click your info again. You'll see it now says Local Account instead of Microsoft account. And if you ever want to link a Microsoft account again later, that option's still there.